Oh, g'day champions. I know it's getting tedious. I'm watching the subscriber count go down with every one of these reviews that I do, and instead of an amp related video, but I've got a lot of amp related videos coming up, so hold your horses. Now you know how tedious this is. Every time you log onto your computer, you open up a browser, you look at YouTube, and you see another friggin' drink review. Oh, he's done another drink review. Well, that's what it feels like every afternoon that I come home and I can't have a beer, so deal with it. So today we're doing two. We're going off the beer thing for a sec. We've got aloe vera. Now, I always say these aloe vera drinks, and as far as I knew, it was some kind of cosmetic moisturizer thing, but apparently they make drinks out of it too. And this one's lychee flavored with pulp. Looks clear. And better boba. So someone commented on the last bubble tea I did that it was actually called boba tea in Thailand or wherever it was first come up with. And you know, just dumb Westerners started calling it bubble tea because boba sounded like bubble and the little circles look like bubbles. So I don't know. The first one wasn't real good, and this one's peach flavoured, so I don't know how much I'm going to like this, but we'll start with that one. There's a little bit of a hiss there when I open it, but I don't think I think it's just pressure differential because it's cold. Let's see what it pours like. Oh, it's clear. Is there any bubbles in it? Hang on, I haven't opened the thing enough. Let me cut my finger open. That'll make for entertaining YouTube. Oh, there's the little bubble things. Oh, they're like sticks. They look like bits of carrot. I wasn't expecting that, although every time I open one of these weird cans up... Oh, that sounds nice. Every time I open one of these weird cans, it's always a surprise what's in it. I can't get them all out, but anyway, I think we got the gist of it. So it looks like bits of carrot floating in it. It smells like peach. It's got less sugar, 50% less sugar, so sugar-wise it's got 1.6 grams per serve. And it's not one of those bullshit things where there's like supposedly like 4 serves in one can. It's 1 serve per can. So 1.6 sugars, that's bugger all. That's not bad, that's not bad. Yeah, that's actually not bad at all. I don't know about the chunks, I wouldn't drink them. So the thing that you get stuck in your teeth, between your lips and your teeth, just like carrot when you're having a spew. But anyway, chill, shake, enjoy. It's for what it is, and it's not too sugary. It's got stevia, which is the natural sweetener, and erythritol. But from what I gather, the only thing I can see in the ingredients which is solid is it says coconut jelly. So I guess that's what the chunks are, coconut jelly. You know, new day for everything, eh? No, it's not bad. I'll probably give that in terms of weird canned drinks, that's probably a 6. I'm giving everything about a 6. I don't know, I'm just guessing. So let's try this aloe vera thing. Alright. Not much of a smell at all. Slight hints of air freshener. So this has got weird see-through stuff in it as well. It looks like ice, but it's nowhere near freezing temperature. So they're actually chunks of aloe vera, I guess. Don't know. Oh yeah, I can smell it a bit more now. It's got quite a tart sort of smell to it. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. I didn't know that. I've tasted that before, but I didn't know that was lychee. Who knows how legit it is though, eh? Water, sugar, aloe vera juice, aloe vera pulp, acidity regulator. And so you know it's good. Can't see any lychee. It's lychee flavoured but there's no lychee in it. Oh, well, you get a 4 for that because that's false advertising. It says lychee flavour. Doesn't say it has actual lychee in it. So yeah, loses points. Let's give it a 3 for false advertising. There's no lychee in it. It's just weird chemicals and sweeteners and citric acids and gums, and there's no artificial stuff in it though. It's all natural flavourings, but yeah, dunno. That's weird. Maybe the flavouring is essence of lychee, like dried up, crushed lychee powder or something. Oh, fuck if I know. Anyway, I'm getting pretty over it. All these weird drinks and no real good beers. We're going to try and find some more good beers towards the end because let's face it, that's what we're all here for. But I've got some fantastic videos coming up for anyone that's still watching this one. We've got the JMI Vox coming up that's in for a resto. We've got that Marshall Super Bass Head which I'm working on, and some other bits and pieces. We've got a Rivera amp coming in. So yeah, I'm going to try and get back to the video stuff, the amp videos, champions, is what I'm trying to say. My brain's not working, it needs beer. So, I'll see you on the next one. And, you know, it's for charity, so just deal with it. We've only got a few days left, right? It's the 20th today. We've got, like, what, 12 days left. So, after that, it's just going to be back to amps and guitars and all the stuff you came here for, not this stupid shit. But, you know, I said I'll do it, so I'll do it, because I'm a man of my word. So, please jump onto the link down below. Give me $10, $20. Make me feel like I'm not doing all this for nothing. Because I feel a little bit silly, let's face it. So, catch you on the next one, champions. We're going to work our way down to the lagers, the pilsners, a couple more IPAs. There's so many non-alcoholic beers. There was nowhere near this amount last year, and even less the year before. So, that's good. I think having them more available means more people might make the decision not to get completely fuck-eyed when they go out, which is fantastic. So, take it easy, legends. See you on the next one. Oh, let's mix them together and see how they go. We've got carrots and stuff. I don't like drinks that you got to chew. Oh, come on, August.